Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today we're going to be taking a look at another 574 that was suggested by a commenter. Coleman McGinley suggested I review the New Balance 574 in the Sea Salt with Ocean Haze colorway. Pretty cool name. Now this shoe retails for $85 and I'm going to be leaving a link down below in the description if you guys want to check them out. We're going to be taking a close look at the upper, the midsole, and outsole. And lastly, we're going to be seeing how these look on feet. So let's get into it. Unlike the other 574s that use a mesh material, this one opted to use a soft white canvas material. On top of the canvas, it had some soft suede material that was in an almost light sand color. And we also did get some hits of leather too. The tongue has a nice classic 574 label on it. Then below that we have some flat white laces. The tongue is well padded and made out of canvas. On the side we have that N logo in this baby blue or sky blue color, which is also in the suede material. Then at the rear we have a nice light brown colored tab. This is New Balance. Below that we have a brown leather heel stabilizer with another New Balance logo. Another piece that's leather is actually this piece right here. Moving on to the midsole and outsole. The midsole is mostly made out of this white EVA foam. The heel has additional in-cap support like every 574, and it gives us more cushion and stability. The rubber outsole is in a gum color, and it does have this speckled pattern all over it, which I thought was a really nice detail. Lastly, the shoe does feature a removable insole. It's this thick green foam, has a bit of an arch, just like the other 574. So all that is definitely going to make for a comfortable experience on feet. Also, I forgot to mention that the shoe is actually part of New Balance's sustainability effort. New Balance claims that the upper is made out of 50% or more recycled material, and that the midsole-outsole combo has at least one material that is a minimum of 3% bio-based or 5% recycled content, whatever that means. On feet, the suede and canvas upper give a comfortable and flexible fit. I actually did go a half size up instead of going true to size like I did for the gray 574s, and they definitely felt more roomy. If you like them snug, go true to size, but if you do like that extra room, go half size up. Overall, the upper on feet was great, definitely no complaints. The EVA midsole, like other 574s, was just as comfortable. The EVA midsole was responsive and supportive, and the insole provided further cushioning. Overall, I love this colorway. The light pastels make it perfect for the spring and summer months, and even the autumn months. I mean, this paired with a light colored hoodie and sweatpant combo would be a whole vibe, bruh. Definitely a colorway I would recommend if you like that pastel color palette. Just be careful because obviously these will get very dirty very easily, so just watch out for that. I got a video if you guys want to know how to clean shoes. I'll also leave that in the description or in the top corner. Like I said in the beginning, if you guys want to check these out, there's going to be a link down in the description for you guys to check out. Like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed the video, fam. Thanks so much for watching my little video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Also, don't forget to follow me on